All right. Find the inverse of the following functions with the given domain restrictions. What we are doing is we are basically again switching x and y, but the issue is we are restricting the domain to negative infinity to 5. Well, remember that's if you got your vertex, we're restricting it to the left side. Okay, that's what's going on here, so that our inverse can still be a function. Well, if I'm going to the left side, that means I want the negative root. When I take the square root, remember how we got a plus or minus? All right. What this is going to change is I just want the minus side of the square root. And my dog is nuzzling. Belle, stop it. I love you. You're a good puppy, but please stop. Okay, so we'll start off here. Let's switch to x and y. So x, I need a pen. X equals negative 3, y minus 5 squared. So I got to move the negative 3 over, so divide by negative 3, so it's x over negative 3. Wow, that looks kind of funky. Not really sure how that happened. Equals y minus 5 squared. And then we'll take the square root to get rid of the squared. Now remember, we're going to negative infinity, so we only want the left side, so make it negative. So here we go. Negative square root of x over negative 3 equals y minus 5. Move the 5 over, you get 5 minus the square root of x minus 3 equals y. And that's your answer. That is this function, but restricted to the left side. Right? 23 is the exact same thing, but okay, they gave you set builder notation instead of interval notation. So they want greater than 0. Well, if you're greater than 0, are you going to the positive side or the negative side? If you're going greater, you're going to the positive side. So when you take the square root, make sure you just have the positive one. You don't need the plus or minus. They're restricting it to just the positive side and taking the inverse of that. So here we go. X equals 2y squared minus 7. Move the 7, so that's x plus 7 equals 2y squared. That is an equal sign. Divide by 2, x plus 7 over 2 equals y squared. And here's where we take care of the domain restriction. We'll square root to get rid of the squared. And remember, we want the right side, so just leave it positive. We don't need the negative. So x plus 7 over 2 equals y. And that's your answer. Wham, bam, done.